YUM Strand for incoming senior high school. Magandang buhay! Ito ang inyong lingkod, Ms. Rueda, guro sa edukasyon sa pagpapakatao ng Carlos L. Albert High School. Narito ang video na binuo ng mga teachers at students ng YUMS para mas maunawaan nyo kung ano ang YUM Strand. Let's talk about YUMS. YUMS means Humanities and Social Sciences. YUM Strand. This strand is designed for students who would want to engage in a college degree on liberal arts and education. This strand focuses on the study of societal issues and changes as well as human conditions. Let's watch this.
Good day, everyone!
Good day, Albertans! Today we are here to boggle and feed your mind with these academic strand YUMS.
That's right! And without further ado, let's go inside as we deepen the topic about the strand. Let's go!
First, let's discuss what is YUMS. Totoo nga bang wala itong math? Tignan natin! Ayon sa Medium.com, ang YUM Strand isang academic strand na ino-offer sa mga upcoming senior high school students. Pinapaigting o pinapalawak nito ang kakayahan ng isang estudyante sa pagsusulat, pagbabasa at pagsasalita o public speaking.
Tama ka dyan! At ngayon, ano nga ba ang kahalagan ng strand na ito? At paano ito makakatulong sa pagdedesisyon ng estudyante sa kung anong karir ang gugustuhin niya sa kolehiyo? Matapos ang 2 taon sa strand na ito, maaaring kunin ng estudyante ang mga sumusunod na kurso: Journalism, Communication Arts, Liberal Arts, Education o Pagiging Guro, at iba pang social science-related courses.
Taking YUM Strand is really important because you will learn more about yourself, you will know what are your strengths and weaknesses in order to bring out the best version of yourself. Also, taking this strand will enhance and improve your skills for you to be prepared for the next chapter of your life.
Upang mapagtagumpayan ng isang estudyante ang senior high school, narito ang mga specialized subjects sa strand na ito. Una, Philippine Politics and Governance, Introduction to World Religions and Belief System, Discipline and Ideas in Social Sciences, Discipline and Ideas in Applied Social Sciences, Trends, Networks, and Critical Thinking in the 21st Century, Creative Writing, Creative Nonfiction, Community Engagement and Solidarity and Citizenship, at Work Immersion.
Ngunit, ano nga ba ang kahalagaan ng strand na ito? Bilang isang estudyante ng Carlos L. Albert High School, sa strand na ito ako ay mas nahasa sa larangan ng komunikasyon at pagsulat. Nagkaroon din ako ng malinaw na pagdedesisyon kung ano nga ba ang gugustuhin kong kurso sa kolehiyo.
Learn from high-qualified and certified teacher in modern space para mag-encourage, mag-motivate, mag-inspire para maabot mo ang iyong pangarap.
Maraming salamat at dito na nagtatapos ang aming presentasyon at sana ay marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito.
Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.